Hey folks, man, this is Monk, man, and I'm up off the early trying to beat the heat, and I have failed. It's 8 a.m. and hot as hell. But we got a special pair for you today on What You Rep. So today we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 5 Off-White Edition, man. And this is the sale colorway. And we always got to look at the box first, man. It's got these Swiss cheese holes so you can look through and see. I always appreciate that, man, especially if you have a lot of kicks. That means you can identify what's in the box without having to go to the label or anything. Let's take a look at these, man. Booyah. So we get the off-white paper in here, man, the Jordan logo on this thing, man, so that's pretty cool. It's a cool feature. Boom. Check that out, bro. These are nice, man. This is a really nice pair right here, man. We get all the details. Check these out, though. They're not a leather shoe, mostly. This is a synthetic upper. Seems to be like ripstop canvas material. It's all over the shoe. I do like how the edges are rough right here. The rough cut's not clean, so the edges are frayed. You know, it gives this thing a little bit more personality. We get the lace locks, which is typical on the Jordan 5. Seems to be like a cream off-white color here with sail accents. On the bottom also, we get the translucent sole. It's typical on the 5s. A little bit of ice right here, man. Almost like an icy gray or icy, icy gray leaning. You know, black right here, red spikes. I do like the Swiss cheese see-through holes, man. So if you're wearing socks, whatever sock color you got on will show through these holes, which can, you know, kind of help hook up the outfit. You know, you can experiment with various colors and stuff. You do get the print on the side right here. It tells you where the shoe was made. I do like how they did the 23 on here, man. The 23 is, appeared on certain versions of the 5s, but I like how they do it here because it's see-through. It's right behind the canvas material. So I think that's really cool how they did that. We get the reflective 3M tongue right here, you know, the Jumpman logo as well right here. You know, we get the Air Jordan upside down. You know, it's all typical on, I think, the 4s and the 5s have that, as well as an exaggerated tongue. But you also get, you know, the different color laces. I think it comes with the cream already in here, but we also get black ones and red ones that have the shoelaces on your shoelace print. Inside, we get the Nike Air branding. I don't know if the camera's getting that. It's kind of bright, so I can't, my monitor screen is really, it's bright. But also right here, Nike Air on the heel, man. But this is a really good pair, man. These are hot, man. My question is, why would you pay $500 for these, man? You can get them for way less. But that's it, man. This is it for this episode of What You Rep. I'm going to give you the 360 view, and we're going to be back soon, folks. Peace.